In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw cryptocurrency to an external wallet safely and correctly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your funds from an exchange or app to a wallet, like a hardware device or a software wallet, without stress and without mistakes. First, prep your wallet. Make sure your external wallet is set up and unlocked, and copy the correct deposit address for the specific cryptocurrency you're sending. Each coin has its own address format, so always grab the deposit address for the exact asset you intend to withdraw. Keep that address ready on your clipboard so you can paste it later. Next, open your exchange or app. On mobile or web, head to your portfolio or assets, select the cryptocurrency you want to move, and choose Withdraw or the Send Receive option. If you're using a mobile app or a web platform, you'll find a download link or the official website link right at the top of the description for easy access. Now enter the details. Paste the destination address you copied. Do not type it manually. A single wrong character can send funds to the wrong place, and crypto transfers are final. As a quick sanity check, compare the first few and last few characters of the address against what your wallet shows. Enter the amount you want to send, keeping in mind any minimums on your platform. Choose the correct network. This is critical. Select the blockchain that matches your destination wallet for that asset. For example, use native Ethereum for ETH, not an alternate network like BNB Smart Chain, unless you explicitly intend to use that and your wallet supports it. Mismatched networks can lead to permanent loss of funds. Before you confirm, review everything. Check the amount, the address, the network fee, and any estimated transfer speed. When you're ready, authorize the withdrawal using your two-factor authentication, whether that's a hardware key or an authenticator app. Never share your codes with anyone. After submission, wait for confirmation. The transaction needs to be processed by the blockchain, which can take anywhere from seconds to longer, depending on network congestion. You can monitor progress in your app's activity tab or with the transaction hash on a blockchain explorer. Your funds will appear once the required confirmations complete. A few essential security tips. Always keep 2FA enabled to protect against unauthorized withdrawals. If your platform supports it, set up an address book or whitelist so withdrawals only go to trusted addresses. For large amounts, start with a small test transfer to make sure everything lands correctly. And keep an eye on network fees. They fluctuate with demand and can affect timing and cost. That's it. Stay safe, send carefully, and thanks for watching.